Well, the design is all finished and I printed it onto one of these A4 sticky labels. This design is far more intricate and far more ambitious than what I did with Project Berocca, and to be honest, I'm feeling a little bit out of my depth. I really don't have a background in drawing or art, but I'm just going to go for it and have fun with it, see if I can learn something on the way. That's really what project guitars are all about, I guess. All I have to do is remove this original finish, and as I've mentioned in the past, the quickest and easiest way to do that on a surface like the back of a neck is to use a cabinet scraper. So that's 3 wash coats of shellac. It's a bit of an issue though, and that is because I was originally planning to finish this with Danish oil, in other words a wiped on finish, the same as I did with Project Berocca. And for that reason, I've created a really nice clean line. The trouble is though, with the stain that I'm planning to put into the design, well, I think when I go to wipe on that first coat of Danish oil, it's very likely to make the ink run and smear. So I've got a few options. I could even just spray that first coat of Danish oil, although it doesn't really spray very gracefully, Danish oil. But if I'm going to that much trouble, then I may as well just spray this with lacquer. And if I'm going to do that, then I may as well just actually remove all of this finish on the headstock, which is UV affected and yellowed. I wasn't really planning to do a complete respray on the neck, but it's kind of heading that way.